Politics Rocker and Ernest Discovery are after me for defrauding Lyndon Collard. Okay, so I initiated telephone contact with Lyndon Collard. He said I was not representing anyone when I phoned him up. A thug, threatening and intimidating, he said. Here's how it went. He answered, he says, flat on his back, he says. I said, hello, I am Harold Turnham. So he says, so? Do you know who I am? He did not. And what happened is all his own problem. I told the weenie judge, clerk, adjudicator, judge master, whatever, I'll take care of this. I'll write the order. Of course, this non-lawyer politic rocker objected, and I had to loose my wings and soar with wonderful legal skills. I said, Collard is not a musician nor a businessman in my statement of defense. And what a joke! Laughing all the way, I used the fraudulently composed ICBC photograph that he says is fraudulent to further fog the issue. You know, we are in an adversarial combat. Even though it is supposed to be different in Canada, it's supposed to be adjudication based on discovery of truth. The lawyer's handbook. The first duty of a lawyer is to the truth, says the lawyer's handbook. and the second duty of a lawyer is to the state. I start at the third. Rhymes with third, eh? And I am Harold Turnham. I said, my client wants to wrap this up. And then I intimidated Lyndon Collard repeatedly. I introduced myself. I interrupted. I waited until he first began to speak, and they said, Your Honor, I'm Harold Turnham. Trying to make him fly off the handle at Betty Collard, his ex-wife, said he would to the police. And he did not. So I twaddled my fingers right in his face. I twaddled my fingers right in his face, and I twaddled my fingers right in his face. Can you imagine me hopping and flopping around the courtroom in full tweet, just a rocking and a roll in the court process? There was not going to be a trial or a settlement. Nothing for a politic rocker. While he talked, I already had a plainclothes sheriff standing over him. And then I tweaked out and down to the sheriff's. I heard he was prone to collapse under stress. So I literally danced over and pointed to him, and I pointed to the sheriffs. The sheriffs, their bulging bellies and bulletproof vests and guns and clubs, moved in on him, and that was the last time he was able to come to court and do anything effectively. I had bested him. Powerful lawyer Harold Turnham from Turnham, Woodenhead, Addled, and Riponia. I rock the justice system. There's more. Wait till you hear the other things I did to politic rocker. Why would you repeatedly mention Turnham, Woodenhead, Addled, and Riponia? Harold Turnham from Turnham, Addled, Woodhouse, and Riponia, whatever. We rely on you law horse for huge political contributions. Your activities are counterproductive. Why would you repeatedly mention Turnham, Woodenhead, Adult, and Rapanye?